Hi, scholars. This is Miss C, and it is so good to see you today. We will be doing a word workout throughout our lesson.
Materials.
So go ahead and put your thinking cap on. Ready? We have 2 new learning targets for today. Please follow along with me as I read them. Our first learning target says, I can read and spell words with OUS and US. The second learning target says, I can use my knowledge of vowel sounds and syllables to read and spell words.
Word work.
We have been learning about words with the us sound at the end, and today you will practice reading and spelling these words. First, let's read some words and sort them by how the us sound is spelled. Here we go. Can you read this word? It says vigorous. How is the us sound spelled? If you thought OUS, you were correct. Go ahead and give yourself a silent celebration. Can you read this word? This word is surplus. How is the us sound spelled at the end? If you said US, go ahead and give yourself a pat on the back. How do you pronounce this word? This word is jealous. How is the us sound spelled at the end of the word jealous? If you said OUS, go ahead and give yourself a round of applause. Here is our last word. How do you say this word? Fungus. How is the us sound spelled at the end of the word fungus? If you said US, I want you to give yourself a clap boom because you did that. Now, we are going to look at a few more words that have the us sound and put them on the star that shows how the sound is spelled. Here we go. Can you read this word? The word is bonus. Which star does the word bonus belong on? Bonus belongs on the US star because the us sound has that spelling at the end. Here's our next word. Can you pronounce this word? This word is pronounced wondrous. Which star does this word belong on? It goes on the OUS star because the us sound is spelled OUS at the end. What does this word say? Generous. Which star does the word generous belong on? Generous belongs on the OUS star. Here's our last word. Can you read this word? Focus. Which star does the word focus belong on? Focus belongs on the U.S. star. Go ahead and give yourself a pat on the back for all of your hard work. Now, we'll look at 2 more words and decide where to divide them into syllables, which will help us read them. Here we go. Let's find the vowels. The first syllable is a closed syllable, so it will have a short I. In the next syllable, we see the letter U, which will say its long sound U because it is an open syllable. Last, we see the sound at the end. Now, it will be easier for us to read this word. Let's look at the first syllable. The first syllable is stem. The second is U with the us at the end. So the word is stimulus. Let's try another word. Let's first find the vowels in this word. First, I see a closed syllable, has. Next, we have an R-controlled A followed by the syllable with the us sound. The first syllable is has. The second is R. The last syllable is does, with the us spelled O-U-S at the end. So the word is hazardous. Great work, syllable sleuths. You were able to find the vowels in the word. Then we made it easier by breaking up the word into parts. Next, we were able to identify closed syllables or R-controlled vowels to make sure that we were pronouncing the word correctly. This is how you can break down longer words to make them easier to read.
Closing reflection.
What did you do today that will help you become a more independent reader? You did a great job with this cycle. I have enjoyed my time with you. It has been an amazing journey, and thank you so much for letting me be a part of your educational journey. I hope that you continue to practice all of these skills, and feel free to rewatch videos that you need more practice with. I have this saying that is my favorite quote that I want to leave you with. It is, I am smart, I am kind, I am important. Repeat after me. I am smart, I am kind, I am important. Remember, you are somebody, and never forget that. You are an amazing, fluent reader and writer, and I hope that you continue to do well at school and love learning. It's been my pleasure to be with you all. This is Miss C, and keep reading. Bye.